Alright, tearing out the back bedroom. Actually the only bedroom, twin beds. You can see there's already been some repairs here. Evidence of the plywood all the way around this way. Just uncovered this. And we got a lot of floor rot, so they fixed it, but never fixed a water leak. So more work, more work. It's going to be a full floor replacement, it looks like. Maybe the center's kind of good, but it's bad up front, bad up there to the under the refrigerator, all the way in the bathroom. Took out the water heater, completely rotten underneath it. Kind of expected. Now all this was rotted along the edge. See where all the foam is, the grate stuff? That doesn't do any good. I ripped it out. Should have videoed it before I ripped it out. And it was rotted all along that back wall, a few inches. And that piece that we're looking at right there to the right, that whole corner had been replaced with plywood, just regular construction grade plywood. And just of the center member here of the trailer, it was rotten right with that wood sticking out, and that was the original OSB. And it wasn't too bad right in this corner, but I had one soft spot right of where that door is, that exit door, storage door, I guess. It was soft right in this area, so I'm gonna cut it back up to around here. Probably do about a 4-foot section of the marine grade wood here, then 8 foot all the way up here to about where the shower is. So that's 1.5 sheets plywood there, and I'll probably do 2 full sheets to get back past the door here, and maybe another 1/2 sheet right in this area. So it's coming along, a lot of work, long way to go. Alright, got the frame all painted. I sanded it down, wiped it with mineral spirits, and put a nice thick coat of Rust-Oleum professional grade oil-based paint. So hopefully that'll stop any rust from developing or spreading. Now I'm gonna cut out this piece of wood here, see if it'll slip in there. Okay, first section in, that first corner was not easy. I had to drive it in, pulled it out 3 or 4 times, sanding and routering away the edges. We had slip in there. Did some collateral damage on the outside. It kind of pushed that section that we're looking at right there, pushed it out toward the back a little bit. Didn't realize it. I was hitting it pretty hard with a hammer. Had a wedge of wood here so it wouldn't tear up the seam. But anywho, got it in there. Took a lot longer than I thought. One thing about it, this is a 5/8 marine plywood, and what's in the trailer is 5/8 OSB, and it's slightly thinner. So I'll have some shimming to do before I put the floors on. Alright, back to our Airstream project, floor renovation. Got about 1/2 sheet of OSB ripped out. And this is what I have underneath it. This piece over here was already replaced with just some regular plywood. Same thing on this side, the curb side. That whole piece, you can see that right angle cut there, that was replaced with some plywood up to the front corner. That was still the OSB. And all the way back here. Looks like we got a nice rat's nest that had been living in there. Now I'm going to work on cutting it back even further. So we've got floor rot right there into where the refrigerator goes. So that's coming out all the way back to the front of the tires. Keep you posted.